In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the solution for cannot connect invalid setting. And here you can see access denied for user PMA localhost using password no. So even if I refresh here, it will still show me the error. So I'm going to show you the solution for this, the easy solution. So the first thing you should do is that obviously you need to open the XAMPP, and here you need to start the Apache and then MySQL, and once I start the MySQL, it is giving me the error. So the first thing to solve this error you should do is that you need to click here config, then here you can see my.ini. So you need to click here and it will open notepad like this. So let me just zoom in a little bit, and here you need to press Ctrl F. So it will open a search window like this. So here you need to search for 3306. And if you now just press enter, here you can see it is showing me the port number 3306. So we're going to change it to 4306. So let's again click here, then press enter. There you can see we have one more port number 3306. We're going to say here 4306. And you only need to change the first two port number, and that's all. After that, just set this Ctrl S or click on file, then click on save, and then just close this. Then you need to go to your folder where you have downloaded XAMPP. So we are going to click a localhost C, then XAMPP, then we need to go to phpMyAdmin. And inside phpMyAdmin, you will find a file called config.inc.php. So just right click here and let's edit it with Notepad. Just click here. And here you will see something like this. So let me just zoom in a little bit. And here you can see allow password true. So we're going to copy this. Then we're going to paste this here. And here we're going to mention port. And the port number will be 4306. So right now we're going to save this, Ctrl S or click on file and click on save, and you can now close this. So right now if you just start your MySQL, your problem should be solved. But if it still not solved, then what you need to do is that you need to go to the XAMPP folder again. Then in the XAMPP folder, you need to go to your MySQL folder. Here you can see go inside. Then we're going to rename this folder data folder to data_old. Then we're going to create one more folder over here, and the folder name will be data. So right now let's go inside the data old folder, and from here we're going to select every folder. And after that we'll also select this IB data on as well. Let's select this, and then you need to copy it. So we'll just copy this, then go back, and we're going to paste it in this data folder. Ctrl V, and here you can see this start. So after that we need to go back, and here you can see backup, go inside. So from here we need to copy all the folders and file except this IB data on. So Ctrl C, or you can just copy it like this, go back, go inside the data folder and paste it over here. And it will ask replace the file in the destination. You need to click here and it will be done. So right now go back to your XAMPP and just restart it again, and your problem should be solved. So right now if we just refresh over here, there you can see we are able to access our phpMyAdmin. So this is how you can solve your issue. I hope this was useful, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.